my dear kids, welcome back to our today's mathematics class. Today we are going to continue the ninth unit with the topic pictograph or pictogram. In the previous class we learned that in pictogram, pictures are used to represent numerical informations and it makes comparison easy. Let's do some more activities related to pictogram. First activity, how many cars? The picture below shows the number of cars manufactured by a company from 2010 to 2013. Below this picture, it is given in the question that the picture of a car represents 10,000 cars. Children, let's do some questions based on this pictogram. Okay. First question, in which year did they make the most number of cars and how many? Next, how many more cars did they make in 2011 than in 2013? First question, in which year did they make the most number of cars and how many? Look at this pictogram and find out in which year the number of cars are more. Yes, it is in 2011. The number of pictures of cars in 2011 equals 10. So, number of cars manufactured in 2011 equals 10 into 10,000, which is equal to 1 lakh cars. Next question, how many more cars did they make in 2011 than in 2013? Here, to get the answer, we have to find the difference between them. That means number of pictures of cars in 2011 minus number of pictures of cars in 2013. That is equal to 10 minus 9 equals 1. So we can say that number of more cars they made in 2011 than in 2013 equals 1 into 10,000, which is equal to 10,000 cars. Did you understand? Next, we are going to learn about bar graph or bar diagram. Numerical information shown using rectangles is called bar graph or bar diagram. Children, let's do some activities. Okay. First activity, the picture below shows the number of children in a class who got various grades in mathematics in the half-yearly examination. We have to complete the table using this picture. Here is a bar graph, so we have to complete the table based on this graph. See, in this bar graph, the vertical lines mark from 0, 1, 2 up to 10, and this shows the number of students. And the horizontal line marked as A, B, C, D and E. It shows various grades. Rectangles of same width are drawn in grade. And the height of the rectangles show the number of students. Look at this picture. How many students got A grade? Number of students who got A grade equals 8. Next, how many students got B grade? Number of students who got B grade equals 10. Next, it is given in the question that number of students who got C grade equals 9. Next, how many students got D grade? Number of students who got D grade equals 5. Next, how many students got E grade? Number of students who got E grade equals 1. Children, did you understand this? Next activity, the picture below shows the runs scored by the Indian cricket team in the first 5 overs of a match. See, here the vertical line shows runs and the horizontal line shows overs. Next, we have to find the answers of some questions. First question, in which over did the team score the most runs? Children, look at this bar graph and find out in which over did the team score the most number of runs? Yes, it is in the third over. The team scores 30 runs in the third over. Next question, what is the total runs scored in the first 3 overs? We have to find the total number of runs scored in the first 3 overs from this bar graph. Runs scored in the first over equals 15. Runs scored in the second over equals 5. Runs scored in the third over equals 30. Therefore, the total number of runs scored in the first 3 overs equals 15 plus 5 plus 30, which is equal to 50 runs. Next question, what is the total runs scored in the first 5 overs? Here we have to find the answer by using this graph. See, runs scored in the first over equals 15. Runs scored in the second over equals 5. Runs scored in the third over equals 30. Runs scored in the fourth over equals 20. Runs scored in the fifth over equals 5. Therefore, total number of runs scored in the first 5 overs equals 15 plus 5 plus 30 plus 20 plus 5 equals 75 runs. Next activity. The bar background below shows information collected on TV viewing. See, the vertical line denotes number of TV viewers and the horizontal line denotes number of hours. We have to find the answers of some questions based on this. First question, how many people watch TV for exactly 1 hour? Look at this picture and find out how many people watch TV for exactly 1 hour. See, 14 people watch TV for exactly 1 hour. Next question, how many spend 3 hours for watching TV? See, 20 people spend 3 hours for watching TV. Next question, how many spend more than 2 hours for watching TV? For that, we have to find how many people watch TV for 3 hours, 4 hours and 5 hours. Number of people spend 3 hours equals 20. Number of people spend 4 hours equals 18. Number of people spend 5 hours equals 10. Then the total number of people spend more than 2 hours for watching TV equals 20 plus 18 plus 10, which is equal to 48 people. Next, look at this graph and make more questions based on this. See, here number of people were watching TV for 5 hours equals 10. So we can make a question that how many people watch for 5 hours? Next, see, most number of people watch TV for 3 hours. So we can make another question that how much time is used by most number of people for watching TV? Children, did you understand these activities? Here is a project for you. You have to do this in your project book. Children, this unit is completed and also we have completed our third term portions. All of you study well. Thank you.